Hello world, we are doing kayaking, guys. Look here at Halong Bay. Look at these people here. It's part of our Lanha Bay and Halong Bay tour from Katba Island. Look, there's loads of kayaks there. I'm reluctant to do this, guys, because I cannot swim, but this is once in a lifetime experience. So my husband is doing the kayak. Look, because I might be doing it opposite. So we will be at the Katba. Lucky is there, our tour guide. So it's good, guys. We need to be slowed down here. Gentle, Babo. We're gonna go back there now because I'm a bit scared. Supposed to be this is one half up to 2 hours, 1.5 hour up to 2 hours kayaking. Look, but I have this life vest anyway. It's raining here, guys, but you can still see the beauty of Halong Bay. It's so beautiful, really beautiful here, guys. You must do this. I saw a couple with a baby. They do this. Even if you're scared of water like me, the water is really calm. Look, so it's nothing to worry. Look, that's our group. We're like almost 30 people, I think. Kayak at Halong Bay, kayaking at Halong Bay. So we're gonna go there in a minute. Yeah, look, it's nice, guys. Make sure you do this if you are visiting Katba Island, Halong Bay, or even if you are in Hanoi. Bye, everyone. Oh, look, there's different nationalities here. Our group tour. We come from Katba Island. Okay, bye everyone.